Hello everyone, how are you? This is Shalini Runta. Today I am here to talk to you about world best anti-aging moisturizer. Yes, I am going to make a ghee cream with an Ayurvedic formula. In Ayurveda it is called Shatadhota Grita. Shat means 100, Dhota means Dona, Grita means ghee. Now I am going to tell you the process of making this ghee cream. For this you need a copper vessel. In this copper vessel I have poured some ghee, and then you have to pour some distilled cold water, and then you have to start making the 100 rotation. After doing the 100 rotation like this, after doing the 100 rotation, you will find the color of the ghee will change. It will start turning from yellow to white. After doing the 100 rotation, you have to discard the excess water. You will see that some of the water gets mixed with the ghee and some of the water is separated. So the whatever the excess water is left, you have to discard that water. Now again you have to repeat this process for 99 times. I know this process is quite long, but trust me guys, it has so many benefits. It will solve all the problem of your skin, and the final result you will get like this. Your ghee will turn very creamy and fluffy and very smooth, and the color will also change. It will turn in white in color. And if you are having the psoriasis, if you are having the eczema, if you are having a rosacea, if you are finding any cream for the wrinkles, fine lines, and this cream is the best cream for your solution, for your problem. And this cream has the capability to penetrate into the deepest layer of your skin. It is rich in omega-3. It is having 9 types of fatty acids. It is rich in vitamin A, D, E, K, and this cream is also having linoleic acid, which acts as a barrier for your skin and which protects the skin for having the pimples and acne marks. So this cream is a superfood cream for your skin. It provides a youthful appearance and makes your skin smooth, soft and silky. And you will see the benefit of this cream after using 2 to 3 months. The shelf life of this cream is 3 months. You can store it in a fridge. Don't put it out, because when you keep it out it will melt. So keep it in a refrigerator, and after 2 to 3 hours of storing you will see some water is still present. You can discard that excess water and keep it in a fridge, because when you keep it out in summers it will melt. So it's better to keep it in a fridge. And in market there are so many companies which are selling this Shatadhruta Grita, but their cream when you keep outside they doesn't melt because they are having a wax. So you won't be getting the pure benefit of this cream. So make it at home and gain the full benefit of this cream.